Okay, a little while back, my wife, while I was at work, she started waterproofing this back here. This is the back side of the house, which really, with the ICFs, you're more worried about your joints. Here's a joint, here's a joint, there's a joint. Joint runs all the way across. That's the only spot that water can migrate through. The ICF itself is more of a solid or closed cell foam. But whenever I get done putting my rubber seal on there, my roll-on, I'm going to take house wrap and go around it just to help seal it again. While I'll put a thick coat of rubber seal on it, or make sure it stays wet, and then put my house wrap on it, that way it glues itself to the house. That's about it. I'm not going to use that peel and stick stuff. That's expensive. It's a good product. It does very well. But I don't think it's worth the money that you pay for it. All right, here we get going. Most of it's dry. There's a spot like right here that's not dry. I think you can see a few shiny spots like right here. And then, oh, that's one I just showed you. Then down in here. Anyways, but it is drying. I'm gonna put another coat. As I do, I'm gonna roll out my house wrap on it. And like I said, it'll help seal anywhere that might penetrate. As long as I don't rip it, goof it up, it should be fine. I'm putting it at the bottom, working my way up. The very top, as you can see there, I haven't sealed it because, well, there really isn't no need of it. I'll end up probably going by and cutting that off at ground level. Anyways, the house ain't gonna go all the way, the dirt ain't gonna go all the way up, but about 18 inches below where the truss starts. Anyways, I'm going to do that, paint or put some more rubber coating on it, roll it out, let it sit there, do another section. I'm going to keep doing sections until I get it done, or I might just paint the whole thing and do it. But anyways, I got to mix this up real quick. It's a little watery. I'm into another bucket now. I used a 5-gallon bucket from there to there, and on the other side that's about 35, 40 foot, and I put it on pretty thick. Anyways, so I'm gonna put some more on there, like I said, and I gotta mix this up. This has been sitting out in the sun, so it's pretty runny right now, but I've got it mixed up pretty good. See if it'll work. Oh yeah, for what I'm doing, it will. try to push that down some. That's pretty much dried up before I got a chance. I'm gonna finish this up, but the whole purpose of this is I'll put my drainage rock in, put my drainage pipe in, put some more drainage rock on it. I don't know if I'm going to use any fabric on it. Some people say to, some people don't. So I have no idea. Never done a basement or built a house in the ground. So I really don't know which way to go with that. I'm just going to put a lot of drainage rock down, I think, and see if that works. I'm going to have clean outs in it, so if it does get dirt in it, it'll be fine. Plus, I'm going to, I'll be using sand. It drains quick, and it won't harden up inside the pipe if it does clog. That's what I'm planning on, backfilling with sand. That's what I told them to bring me. That's if they have some. Still, been waiting 2 days for that. They're pretty busy at the rock place. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this up. Y'all see what I've got going on here. I gotta go around that corner just a little bit, just behind you, and it'll be done. So I appreciate y'all watching. If you would, like and subscribe. Share it with somebody that might be interested in it. Like I said, this will help stop any water migration through there. Hopefully, it should. Even though it's like it's not really tacky right there, it'll be fine as long as it's tacked at the bottom and at the top. But anyways, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy. Y'all have a good day. God bless and stay healthy.